A garage door that slams shut or won't open may have a broken spring. These springs, torsion or extension, are essential for lifting the door smoothly. When springs fail, signs include a heavier door, limited movement, loud snaps, or uneven motion. Cables may also appear loose or unwound. Most spring failures happen due to wear from repeated use or rust weakening the coils. Each open-close cycle wears the spring out. To check safely, disconnect the opener and try lifting the door. If it's too heavy or won't lift, you may have a spring issue. Never attempt DIY repairs. Springs are under extreme tension and can cause injury without proper tools and training. In Haltom City, Texas, professional garage door repair ensures a safe, reliable fix. Experts diagnose, replace springs, and test operation. Routine care, like lubricating springs and annual tune-ups, can help prevent sudden failures and extend system life. If your door is acting up, take action now. Call a local pro in Haltom City, Texas for safe, efficient spring repair and peace of mind.